Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to delete Roblox t-shirt you made. So first you need to go to your Roblox website and log in to your Roblox account. Then click on create page. After that, click on the t-shirt tab on the left hand side of the page. Find the t-shirt you want to delete from the list of your created t-shirts. Click on the gear icon located on the right hand side of the t-shirt thumbnail. Then select Delete from the drop-down menu. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the t-shirt. Click on Delete to confirm. And that's it. That's how to delete Roblox t-shirt you made. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.